Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for really adorable planters? Look no further. This is my set of 6 planter pots by ZOUTOG. They are tiny, they're the perfect size for succulents or for small plants, and I just really appreciate the beautiful designs. They each have a different design with different colors, and I think that they are so beautiful and so unique. And I really appreciate the little wooden tray that they sit on, so it really looks like such a nice complete set. It's everything I needed for this collection of small plants that I have. And I also really appreciate that they do have drainage in the bottom, which makes it very practical for my plants. So I just am so happy with these. They're beautiful, they're unique, and they fit these small plants so perfectly. They make my outdoor area look adorable. I love these so much. I think they are so cute and have so much personality. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.